As you guys can see, I hit 18,000 subscribers, all thanks to you guys. Therefore, I'm going to be doing a Photopea key giveaway. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually redeem it on Photopea. But I'm going to be choosing 5 people from the comment section. And all you have to do to enter is just write me a little message in the comments about why you started doing graphic design. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And I will choose at random. I'm just curious to hear what got you guys started and why you guys do it. So to show my appreciation, that's why I'm going to be giving away some Photopea keys. And thanks to the creator of Photopea for giving me these keys to actually give away to you guys. He's been supporting me this whole time I've been on YouTube, and I really appreciate him and his awesome website. Let's say you won the Photopea key giveaway. How do you redeem it? So you go to Photopea's website right here, and what you're going to want to do is go up to account, and you'll see here there's account types. There's premium, there's free, but what you're going to want to do is click go premium, and here you'll see there's a button that says I have a key. You'll accept the terms of service first, click I have a key, and you should be able to type it in. But since I already have it, I won't be able to show you guys that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support you've given me over these past few years. It's been awesome, and I'm glad to be back to make more videos for you guys. I know it's not like a milestone necessarily, but I appreciate every milestone we hit, regardless if it's a big number like 50,000, 20,000, whatever. 18,000 is just good for me, and so I want to show my appreciation. At 20,000, I'll do a giveaway. That's our next goal, I suppose, but you know, I'm happy with whatever we get. So thank you guys again, and have a good one. Peace.